So the simple formula for success means that you have traffic, which basically means people, and you combine it with your offers or your affiliate offers. And this is what is going to lead to income. And it's not rocket science. Affiliate marketing is one of the most simple business models out there, but that doesn't mean it's easy. There are still skills to learn. It takes time, it takes effort, and it can be really challenging. But it is fairly simple to do, and sometimes just doing the repetition, you get better and better, and you start to see success. But the hard part about this isn't what to do. The hard part is actually being the person who actually does it. You don't want to wait for perfect, and you may hear out there it's better to launch imperfect than to keep waiting for it to be perfect. You need to be someone who's not going to give into fear, who doesn't let self-doubt steer the ship. So sometimes you have to work through that fear, and we all start at zero. Looking at my early YouTube videos, they were horrible. But we all start at the beginning, just like everyone else. Some people progress faster because they have the skills to do that. It's taken me a long time, a lot longer than I thought, in order to make my first commission. And one of the industry, or there's actually a couple of industry secrets, is that people promote thinking that one size fits all problem. If you're an expert at something, that's the one thing you teach. And because it worked for you, in order to sell it, you have to tear down every other option, even though those other options might be better for you. So because this one thing worked, this is the only thing, and those other things don't work. So depending on who you're listening to, they're going to be promoting the one thing that worked for them and debunking or talking down about all of the other methods. But each method works. You just need to put in the time and effort to make it work and have the personality for it. Each expert has a bias. They will make you believe that their way is the only way. And this is why, as a beginner, you can get trapped because you think this is the only way. The truth is, like I said, all of these paths work, but not every path works well for every person. And so you really need to look at yourself and decide which one is going to work best for you. The misalignment issue is that if 100 people join a really great program, why do only 1 or 2 people succeed? And the reason the others didn't succeed is the path didn't fit them. Maybe it didn't match their experience, it didn't match their lifestyle, it didn't match their personality, didn't match their goals. Maybe they're not, comfortable promoting what that offer promotes. If you are not comfortable talking about money or promoting money-making offers, then don't get into the affiliate marketing and money-making offer area. If you absolutely love talking about dogs, you've got 3 dogs, you love everything about them, maybe going into promoting dog product is the way you should go. And there are a number of different ways to promote. There's digital products, there's things like physical products. If you like, being on Amazon, there's ways to promote physical products. There's a ton of different business models out there that can work for you. And the main thing is that finding out the right path for you. So if you're on the wrong path, basically it's just going to lead to frustration and failure. But when you're on the right path about something you're excited about, everything can change. You start seeing wins, you start to feel momentum, you get excited again, and that excitement transfers over into whatever you promote, into the things that you're creating. And people can feel that. And as a beginner even, showing your journey, people want to root for the underdog. They want to see your journey. They want to see the progress. And this is where you would have a step up over the people that have been in this business for a long time, because many times people will see these huge incomes and say, well, there's just no way I can do that, and not even look further into that method. Whereas you, hey, I just started, I'm super excited, I did my one thing today and this is what happened. People want to follow that. And this is where it can really be to your advantage. So you need to find what's called your profit path. And this is the path or direction that is really aligned with your experience, your lifestyle, your goals, your personality. Because you have found that path, that's when your passion inside you, your excitement wakes up, and that's when things really start moving. And so for me, I've been in affiliate marketing since 2016, and I really didn't make anything until 2019. I tried everything. I purchased a bunch of stuff on all these different platforms. I spent a lot of money chasing shiny new objects that came my way, and I made little to no money. I'm not a big guru. You're not going to be seeing me making huge income claims. But the thing that changed is in 2019, I met someone and they really helped me discover the path that was right for me. And I finally made some money. Now, to be honest and totally transparent, I'm not where I want to be. I have made 5 figures, but it's not consistent. And so that's my goal for this year, is to really make that consistent. So your next steps are to take advantage of the Beginner's Advantage Masterclass. Again, I'll be putting the link for that down below. It's basically an online experience. It's not a pre-recorded webinar. A lot of times you get fooled thinking, oh, this is a live webinar, but it's really pre-recorded. It's really a personal masterclass designed to get you on your profit path fast. You're going to get unbiased insults. You're going to get personalized matching. You're going to actually get a proven 10K game plan that's going to get you on the right road so that you can start implementing immediately. And with the masterclass, you're going to learn how to turn your potential into actual real results. And so, like I said, the link to the masterclass is in the description below if you want to just go directly there. I'm also putting the link to the free report in the description below. No credit card needed for that. Just go ahead and click the link, download it, and read through it and really think about what is a good match for you.